In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best data collection methods that statisticians use to gather accurate and reliable data. Whether you're a student, researcher, or data enthusiast, understanding these methods is essential for conducting meaningful analysis. Welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the world of Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques. Now let's get started. Surveys and questionnaires are among the most common methods used to gather data from a large population. They allow researchers to collect information on opinions, preferences, behaviors, and more. When designing a survey or questionnaire, it's essential to craft clear and concise questions to avoid bias and ensure accurate responses. Additionally, employing random sampling techniques helps in obtaining a representative sample of the population, enhancing the reliability of the data collected. Observational studies involve observing and recording data without interfering with the subject's behaviors. This method is particularly useful in social sciences and behavioral research, where direct manipulation may not be feasible or ethical. Researchers can conduct observational studies in various settings, such as naturalistic environments, laboratories, or through the use of surveillance cameras. Careful documentation of observations and adherence to ethical guidelines are essential to maintain the validity and integrity of the collected data. Experiments are designed to investigate cause and effect relationships between variables by manipulating one or more factors and observing the resulting changes. They are widely useful in scientific research to test hypotheses and establish causal relationships. Key elements of a well-designed experiment include random assignment of participants to treatment groups, control of extraneous variables, and replication of the study to ensure reliability. Whether conducted in controlled laboratory settings or real-world environments, experiments provide valuable insights into how variables interact and influence outcomes. Before moving on to the next pro tip, if you'd like to learn more about Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques and how it can improve operational efficiency, check out our book on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Secondary data analysis involves utilizing existing data sources collected by other researchers or organizations for new research purposes. This method offers several advantages, including cost effectiveness, time efficiency, and access to large data sets that may not be feasible to collect independently. Common sources of secondary data include government surveys, academic databases, and organizational records. However, researchers must critically evaluate the quality and relevance of the secondary data to their research questions and ensure proper attribution to the original sources. Interviews and focus groups are qualitative data collection methods that allow researchers to gather in-depth insights from participants. Interviews involve one-on-one conversations with individuals, while focus groups bring together a small group of participants to discuss a specific topic. These methods are valuable for exploring complex issues, understanding perspectives, and uncovering underlying motivations. Effective interviewing and moderation techniques, such as active listening and probing, are essential for eliciting rich and meaningful responses from participants. The next time you embark on a statistical journey, Remember to choose your data collection methods wisely for insightful and impactful results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more statistical insights and tutorials. And until next time, never stop improving.